Ball lock pins with plastic grip. Ball lock pins provide easy fastening of components. Pressing a button disengages the locking balls, allowing the pin to slide into aligned holes. Releasing the button secures the connection. These quick-release devices enable tool-free installation and removal while ensuring precise alignment. Commonly used in industrial, mechanical, and aerospace applications, ball lock pins enhance efficiency, precision, and safety for frequent adjustments and part changes. Ball lock pins with stainless steel mushroom grip, adjustable. These stainless steel ball lock pins have an adjustable mushroom grip for quick fastening. Spring-loaded locking balls ensure reliable positioning, making them ideal for machinery and fixtures that require fast assembly and accuracy. Ball lock pins with plastic T-grip and head-end lock. These ball lock pins feature a durable plastic T-grip for quick and secure fastening in industrial applications. The ergonomic T-handle allows for comfortable operation and manual release. Spring-loaded locking balls ensure reliable engagement, while the head-end lock prevents accidental release. Ideal for machinery and automation setups. They enable fast assembly and long service life. Locating bushes, stainless steel with status sensor. This stainless steel locating bush features an integrated status sensor designed for locking mechanisms. It ensures precise positioning and secure alignment in fixtures and automated systems. The durable construction offers excellent corrosion resistance, ideal for industrial environments. The built-in sensor confirms proper engagement of the locking device, providing real-time feedback to enhance safety and reliability, particularly in automated assembly lines. This combination of mechanical precision and electronic monitoring improves efficiency and supports higher quality control standards.